everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a super easy, basic beginner dirty cup paint pour. So with this we're just doing very simple supplies, just straight up craft paint and water. Just keeping it simple and easy and cheap for beginners. Soon on my channel I'll be doing paint pours using pouring medium, silicone oil and such. But right now I really just want to get people introduced into paint pour, just simple, easy. Figure out if you like it. You know, this is great for kids, for anyone really. We're going to be doing a dirty cup paint pour. So I have some really old craft paint that I'm using. I don't recommend using really old craft paint. I'm really learning my lesson on this one just because it's really clumpy. But I'm putting one color in each cup, filling it up maybe about 2 inches of paint, then 2 inches of water. Then I'll be stirring those really good. Have fun! Something not necessary but very helpful is if you use a strainer when you're pouring your paint initially into your cup. That way you don't get all the chunks, because it definitely shows through in the final product. I kind of liked how it turned out for this one, where it looks all lumpy. And then once you have all of your paints mixed with the water, they're real nice and liquidy and fluid, then you're going to get a little bit bigger cup. You'll pour in a little bit of one color, pour in a little bit of the next color. Just keep pouring layers. You really want to get multiple thin layers, even though you can't see them inside the cup often. One thing I would like to point out that this was a huge mess. So definitely, even with the plastic cloth underneath, it was still so messy on my hands and everything. So you really want to come prepared. So the thing is, once this is fully dry, I really let this set like overnight. So I just used some basic gloss Mod Podge. As soon as I applied the Mod Podge, that color just popped. It came right on back. So I tried to brush on the top coat as smoothly as I could. I really don't want to leave behind excess globs of Mod Podge because that will show through. Again, it won't flatten itself out. And then I let those dry fully overnight. And then I did one last layer just to kind of even it out, all of the Mod Podge. Let's see how these turned out. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you learned a little bit and also learned what not to do when it comes to dirty cut paint pour. Let me know if you try this out on your own and how that works out for you. See you next time on Trisha Renee's Art Studio.